Zontes 703T Shungsha Smart App Operation Instruction Video Tutorial. Please download Shungsha Smart App from the App Store of the corresponding model phone or from the official Shungsha website before using Shungsha Smart App. Complete vehicle warranty binding in the Shungsha Mall app vehicle has been bound to the mobile app. Click the Unlock button on Shungsha Smart App to turn on the vehicle and unlock the handlebar lock. Click the Lock button on Shungsha Smart App to turn off the vehicle and lock the handlebar lock. Click the Service Interface and click Historical Route to view the vehicle's travel trajectory during a time period. Click Vehicle Diagnosis. The vehicle needs to be in the on state, that is, the ignition switch is turned on, to perform vehicle diagnosis functions. Demonstration of joint mode and positioning tracking demonstration. Turning on this function will increase power consumption and positioning tracking after activation. Location data updates every 30 minutes. Click My to enter the app page and click Authorization Management. Add authorization to allow other registered Shungsha Smart App accounts to control the vehicle. Click the Help page to view other operation tutorials. The Settings page is detailed. Click Vehicle Management. Click Vehicle Settings to set corresponding functions according to personal needs. Note that settings need to be done near the vehicle with Bluetooth connected. Click Firmware Upgrade for detailed upgrade tutorial. Refer to the official website video tutorial. Click Apply to clear keys if the vehicle key is lost. Operate according to the above requirements. Click Unbind to unbind the vehicle from the app association. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.